Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. In today's video, you are going to get all the detailed information regarding Deloitte off-campus. This video consists of different sections and I want you all to stick on to the end to hear some good news from Freshers Now. The Deloitte off-campus details are as follows. The qualification that they require is a BE or a BTech or a master's in the same fields like ME, MTech or an MCA as well. The job role which they will be providing for you is a business and technology analyst. So make sure that to be aware of the role you are applying to. The job location is in Mumbai, Hyderabad and Bangalore. Please note that there is no last date for application, and also it is also most important to apply for this role as soon as possible, because before the link expires the candidates are requested to please apply and start your application process as soon as possible. The eligibility criteria that the role demands is the students of BE, BTech, MTech or an MCA should have at least 60% in all their education, in their academic fields, in their 10th, intermediate, graduation and also their postgrad. The candidates which are mentioned above categories are all eligible for this drive to participate. The gap year should not be more than 2 years as I have mentioned here. And also the students should have at least 1 year of application development or testing using Java technology stack, should be strong in OOPS concepts, core Java collections, should have experience on web technologies, JSP and servlets, and also should have experience on JDBC. Please note down all these points so that you will have a good idea before you are applying. The required qualifications should have knowledge on any of the web frameworks and persistent framework. Candidates should have the ability to write or build a configuration scripts using build tools. Also, the ability to write basic SQL with simple joins. The recruitment process is as follows. The candidate has to take up all the 3 sections which I have mentioned here. Number 1 is the online written test. Number 2 is the technical interview, and number 3 is the HR interview. The candidate cannot skip any of this in order to get eligible for the post. Remember, all the 3 parts of the exam has to be taken by the candidate. Now we will see how to apply for this Deloitte off-campus drive. The link which is provided here on the screen leads you to the application process. Also, if you want to access this link directly, you can check out the description box below and you can access the link directly. Now remember, there is no such last date which is mentioned for application, so candidates are requested to please make sure to apply as soon as possible and as early as possible before the link expires. As I've mentioned in the beginning of the video, there is some good news for all of the candidates out there. Freshers Now is now giving out free mock test for everybody. So whoever want to take up the mock test and be prepared, you can check out the website Freshers Now to enhance more of your preparation. Students or candidates can check out the link which I have mentioned here on the screen, or you can check out the description box below and the link will lead you directly to access the website. You can log into the website either using your mobile number or through your email ID as the website screen shows here. These are the different categories of the exam mock test which you can take, and for here on there will be more categories adding on to the website. Hereafter you can access all of them for free, take mock test n number of times and enhance your preparation skills. I hope you all like this video, and please do share it with your friends whoever is wanting to take up this role anytime soon, because as I've mentioned in the video a couple of times that the link is going to be expired soon, so there is no last date for application. You can start your application as early as possible. Comment down in the comment section below if you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more learning videos and placement videos from Freshers Now. Thank you.